Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no go want miss this. The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Hello to our lovely viewers and subscribers. Today we're taking you guys on our journey to Montego Bay at the Big Bad Picture Me BFF Expo. We're Harmony Beach. So stay with us and enjoy the journey. We're now off on our journey and Costa knockout already, you know. You know what to big up a driver, don't it? You don't know? One whisper, you know, never two. This is the photo shoot stop. Oh, Jesus. Look what them decide to take picture though. Keep your yarn, man. Sure.
So here we go on. We make a stop. Bathroom. The bathroom over there, so we're going to anyone in our room then. Over here, so we have a photo booth. And we have a video call phone booth. And next one,
Go on do the Mickey Minaj challenge. You have to have a check-in point.
yeah, a curve special.
You need anything inside
Yeah.
the car, yeah, you come and check.
Alright.
Get it.
But look how them are fairly far up. You see? She want climb and can't climb. Alright, so people, I guess this is a new way to take picture. And the new location in the middle of the highway. But look on the big bad cameraman. Run out when car not come and have to run in back when car come. Why? This is a very risky business. We have 2 minutes here. Curl star. The Nicki Minaj challenge and she can't balance. No sir.
Alright, so we'll pack up with things and we'll leave. Hold on my side, hold on. Go back to forward.
So girls, what is the Nicki Minaj challenge?
Go back to forward.
Alright, come smarter. Why don't you
Hold on my side, run.
Ready, Chrissy?
How do I do?
Go on do that too.
The Nicki Minaj, yeah.
Minaj challenge.
Oh, I'm not feeling that then. I'm Nicki Minaj.
Yes, Sean.
Come on, phone now.
Bubble ball.
Come here, she know about she a go try it. Hope she not drop it up.
Ready? I'm a full video, yeah.
Hey, this is my TikTok page.
Nikki.
This?
This is why Nicki Minaj sing and she have battery.
You are.
The whole hour. And heel, rest banana.
Can't drop, come you just drop. Check how many way to that.
People pull him foot for the pull out, man.
What was that?
That's got it, bro.
Wait.
My job, you know. Did I go near my job?
Go, we have to match.
Alright, alright, well, load up back. Right, checklist. Curls, check. Vicious,
Oh, vicious.
check. It is, check.
Check in.
Castan,
Now, what me have to do yourself?
check. Kesha,
What's the contract? Hold on. That's all it.
Don't like your beard.
Kesha,
Yes.
check. You must say present, miss.
Present, miss.
Chrissy,
You know something.
present, miss. You
Present.
Sparta,
Check.
present, miss.
Present is here.
On the nasty of the bathroom.
Question. So what gonna be the show?
Sean, check.
So I look back on the video and said face
So Sean, check. So present, miss.
outside my time, you know.
Christine, knock out now. Boy, oh boy. Excuse me there. May I beg on a minute? Me not feel too good at all. I did hope say this may reach me again, you know. When me really ever get over this door? Already? Alright, so good again, guys. Good again.
You feel better now? Feel better now? Just when you know say you're on camera, see? And you gotta smile for the camera, right? Wipe away the tears from your eyes. Take a deep breath. Drink some water. Draw up 6 times if you need to. Cost me if you want. You're welcome. Wind up your window, please.
I never me wind it down. Stay tuned for some highlights at the expo in our next vlog.